Hello and welcome to Picotti's class. In this lecture I'd like to go over cross multiplication. For example, let's say I have a problem like so where we have 6 divided by x equals 12 divided by 4 and I want to solve for x. I'm going to need to cross multiply in order to do so. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply x times 12. This gives you 12x. And I'm going to set this equal to 4 times 6. That's going to be 24. So now I just isolate x all by itself. 12 is being multiplied by x, so I'm going to need to divide by 12. And we get x is equal to 2. Let's work another example. So in this example, I have 9 divided by x equals 3 divided by 2. We're going to need to cross multiply in order to find x. So it's going to be x times 3, and this is going to be equal to 9 times 2. So all we did was multiply x times 3 and 9 times 2 and set them equal to each other. So now if we simplify further, we're going to get 3x equals 18. And because that 3 is being multiplied by x, we're going to need it to divide by 3 to undo the multiplication. And when we divide 18 by 3, it goes to 6. So therefore, x is equal to 6. So in our next example, we have x divided by 5 equals 4 divided by 2. Even though x is in the numerator this time, it's the same principle. We're going to cross multiply to solve for x. So let's do it. We'll have 5 times 4 equals x times 2. And if we simplify further, we're going to have 20 equals 2x. Now, because 2 is being multiplied by x, we're going to have to divide. So when we divide both sides by 2, this is going to go to 1, and this is going to go to 10. And therefore, x is going to be equal to 10. So in this example, I have 9 divided by 4 equals x divided by 20. Same principle, we're going to cross multiply. First we're going to multiply 4 times x, and then we're going to multiply 20 times 9. So let's do it. We're going to have 4 times x equals 9 times 20, or 20 times 9, same diff. So if we simplify, we multiply 4 times x, we're going to get 4x. And this is going to be equal to 9 times 20, which is going to be 180. Now 4 is being multiplied by x, so the opposite of multiplication is, that's right, I thought I heard it back there, division. So we're going to divide by 4. When we do that, the 4's will cancel out, so we'll be left with 1, or x, and then we'll have 180 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 18 4 times. Then we're going to have 2 left over. 4 goes into 20 5 times. So it'll be 45. So x would equal 45. So in this example, we have 4 divided by 5 equals x divided by 30. How do you think we're going to solve this problem? That's right, cross multiplication. So we're going to multiply the 5 times the x and set that equal to 30 times 4. So 5 times x equals 4 times 30, or 30 times 4, same diff. When we simplify 5 times x, we're going to get 5x. And then we're going to multiply 4 times 30. So then we're going to get 120. So now, 5 is being multiplied by x, so we're going to have to do the opposite, which is divide by 5. We're going to divide both sides by 5. When we divide 5 by 5, we're just going to get 1. And when we divide 120 by 5, 5 goes into 12 2 times, with 2 left over. 5 goes into 25 times, so it'll be 25. Therefore, x would equal 25.